All right, this is a typing test for 1941 Royal Quiet Deluxe. See, it's black. It's got the textured surface. It's a pica machine, so it's 10 characters per inch. And really quick, I put a tab in so you can see that works. And you can see here, unlike other machines, you just move the tabs around. So I'll move this one down, and I'll move another one into place. So now we'll have two tabs. Yeah. So this tab actually, I guess I set it too close to the margin. There you go. Well, anyways, it works. So I'm not feeling great. You can hear it in my voice. So we're gonna get straight to the typing test. I didn't demonstrate the magic margin. Really quick, I'll do it on this side. So you pull it in, and then you hold it, and then what you do is you just keep holding until you're where you want the margin to be. You let it go, and it automatically sends it. Same thing happens on this side over here too. So. Just really love these glass keys. They're just stupendous to type on. Just a really nice, crisp, clear, readable type. Just see the action is nice, and it's really smooth and easy to type. Perfect. Oops, didn't hit it hard enough. All right, now we'll do the letter test. There's no number 1 on this, so you would use the lowercase l. It was a pretty common thing back in the day. Alright, and we'll do the characters in red just for fun. As I said, nice, crisp, clear. Just a wonderful, wonderful typewriter in perfect working condition. Oh my gosh. There it is.